Alright, today's video, I'm going to put a TV in my new van. This wall mount is from my old van, and I still have my old van. So what I did is I took a look at the bodywork. I'm putting this wall mount where the sliding door is, where the support is, like the wall is, where the sliding door is. And looking at the body, it's a good 4-5 inches thick. So there's no way I'll accidentally punch a hole into the bodywork of my van. So there's a lot of surface area right here, and the clips appear to be right here holding the trim in. So this right here, this middle area, I'm not going to hit anything. So I even did a little test run, made sure I had the right drill bit. Here's the bolt I'm going to use to bolt this in. So this will be a clean install. This will be a perfect install. Hopefully I'm not jinxing myself. But let's see how this works out. I even made sure I had a good drill bit. See, I messed up right here already. So I'm like, okay, let me find a better drill bit. Gotta get a sharper one. Almost done. The tricky part is actually trying to get the bolt in straight. That's the hard part. So hopefully I don't struggle as much on the last one. This one took me like 20 minutes to figure it out. All done. Bolted right through the plastic trim into the body, so this isn't going anywhere. When you tighten down the bolts, don't go too tight. You don't want to crack this. I just kind of felt it a little bit. It's sunk in just a tiny bit. But yeah, this is solid. Alright, let me grab the TV now. Put this on. Test run time. Shout out to Vizio TVs. I bought this 6 or 7 years ago, and it still works. And you know how it is in a vehicle. This thing lived in my other van for the whole time I had it, and it gets about 140 in vehicles in the summer, so this thing lasted that whole time. So I'm not going to buy another TV until this one doesn't work anymore. I might get another 6 or 7 years out of it. They don't even make 15-inch TVs anymore. I believe this is a 15-inch TV. I think the minimum now is 19, so if I ever do replace this, it'll be a bigger TV. But at the time, I just wanted the cheapest TV I could find, and this one was like 119, and it was a 15-inch TV. And now years later, TVs are a lot cheaper. So here's my power inverter connected to a jump box, Retron HD. So if it doesn't rain this weekend, I'll install my solar. So here we go. Let's try this out. There it is. Still works after all these years. So there it is, Retron HD Vizio TV in my van, soon to have solar. So I'm ready for my road trips. Hang out in my van and play Mike Tyson's Punch-Out on the NES here.